Hi there. Have you heard that coffee is actually good for you? Well, a study published in the New England Journal of Medicine in May of 2012 showed just that. The researchers followed over 400,000 healthy Americans for 13 years and found that 1 cup of coffee a day dropped the risk of dying by 5 to 6%. 2 to 3 cups a day was even better at 10 to 13%, and 4 to 5 cups showed an even higher percentage. So, if you like coffee that is dressed up a bit or would like to start to include coffee in your daily regimen, Ageless Brew may just be your cup of tea, or should I say coffee. Ageless is a creamy, slightly sweet, low-calorie latte that has all the benefits of a basic cup of coffee with cream with a delicious, world-class taste. By adding some special ingredients, Ageless also has a world-class ability to directly fight the effects of aging, helping you to feel and to look and to be rejuvenated. That's a lot to deliver for a simple, delicious 45-calorie latte that contains no artificial sweeteners. Ageless Brew starts with an estate-grown gourmet coffee blend for richness of taste and of healthful components. This is then infused with 4 other key health-promoting and anti-aging ingredients. H1X1 Super Concentrate, the ultra-potency extract of the patented organic H1X1 strain of Agaricus blazei, which is available only in VitaCup products. Extra Mill, a patented and standardized concentrate of Cucumis melon pulp. Resveratrol, and grapeseed extract. Yes, I know, all that sounds good, and perhaps you're even familiar with some of them. Well, here's a partial list of what the components of Ageless can do to support vibrant health. And by the way, everything here is documented in the medical literature. It supports the function of every living cell in your body by assisting with free radical damage inside the cells. It supports robust and appropriate immune function. It supports healthy blood sugar and cholesterol levels. It supports blood vessel health. It decreases the signs and symptoms of stress and fatigue. It supports the health of the liver, the main detoxification organ in the body. It decreases fat accumulation when eating a high-fat diet, and it provides dramatic antioxidant support to fight free radical damage throughout the body. Ageless Brew is designed to provide a delicious, healthy, satisfying, ready-brewed latte with the convenience of a single serving stick. You'll enjoy it for the great taste, and it does certainly taste wonderful, but what your body will receive is a powerhouse of health-promoting and scientifically validated, age-defying ingredients. Here's to your good health, and take good care.